Do I have regrets? Yeah, I guess I do have some.
Sometimes in life, you follow the path of necessity. You do it just because you think you should, and maybe because it's expected. You tell yourself, it's enough for me, and let your dreams and passions slip into the distance. You don't even know it has happened.
There's something that I discovered really quickly after I had just retired, and it kind of makes me really sad. I worked over 45 years, actually, about almost 47 years, doing work that I didn't really enjoy. Um, I it wasn't my dream job. I I did it, and I, you know, made do at the time. I never really complained all that much that I hated my job, and I'm not saying I hated my job. It was there might have been times when I hated, certain things about it or whatever. But I had a good job. I made really decent money and good benefits, and I had, lots of security with it. But now when I look back, I realize that I just did it for the money and for the security. I didn't do it because I loved it. I didn't. I don't know. It wasn't my dream job by any stretch of the means. And now I realize that I've spent, almost 5 decades doing work and not loving what I was doing. And now I don't know, it's really sad, actually. I kind of wish that I would have, tried to find something that I had a passion for. I didn't feel like I was really making a difference in the world. The only difference I was making was basically helping my family and, helping keep food on the table and a roof over our heads and, certain things and treats and luxuries that we enjoyed over the years. But it certainly wasn't through the dream job. And, you always hear people say, if you love your job, you'll never work another day in your life. And I'm starting to believe that that's really true. So I can't turn back the clock. It's too late for that. All I can do now is really try to enjoy my retirement and make it something that I truly love. So that's what I'm going to do. And I would just hope that anybody listening to this video will, think about, if you're still working, and especially if you're fairly young, that you really give thought to what do you want to get out of life, and what do you love to do, and what would you love to do? And if all the barriers and things were, aside, taken away, that you didn't have to worry about, what would that look like? It might not necessarily be, just having a steady paycheck coming in so that you could provide the necessities and the basics. Maybe life for you would be more exciting, and you'd be happier on a day-to-day basis doing something that you actually love. So anyways, I do I have regrets? Yeah, I guess I do have some. I'm not bitter, certainly not bitter, because I did have a good job, like I said. It just wasn't one that I loved. I just have a regret that I wish I would have had the courage when I was first starting out, going through school and trying to figure out what I wanted to do, that I had the courage to go out and find something that was a passion for me that I loved. And, who knows the way life may have turned out. So I hope that this advice maybe hits home with some of you, and that you can find your passion, and you never have to work another day in your life because you love the work you do. So You've been listening to the Simple Living channel. My name's Lori, and if you like this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Have a great day, everybody, and good luck finding your passion.